Hi, this is Halal. In this video on Mathematical Economics series, we will solve a numerical on the applications of integral calculus in economics. So the question is, marginal cost is given, that is MC is equal to 25 plus 30Q minus 9Q square, where Q is the quantity and fixed cost is 55. Find A part is total cost and B part is average cost and the last part is the variable cost. So we will solve the first part, that is the A part. Now marginal cost function is given. To find the total cost, we will integrate this marginal cost function. That is to say, total cost is given as total cost is equal to the integration of the marginal cost, that is MC, with respect to quantity, that is dq. Now the marginal cost function is 25 plus 30q minus 9q square, and we will integrate it with respect to quantity. So this will become now the integration of 25, this will become 25q plus, now here it is 30q, so this will become 30 q square divided by 2 minus 9 q cube divided by 3 plus the constant of the integration. That is to say, as we have seen in the rules of integration, the integration of a constant with respect to quantity will be q. Similarly, here the exponent is 1, and by power rule function, the integration is given as this exponent is added by 1, that is here it is 1 plus 1, so this becomes 2, and we divide it whole by this very 2. Similarly, here the exponent was 2, and we add 1 to this 2, this becomes 3, and divide by the 3 plus the constant of integration. Therefore, total cost function will become, that is now, that is 25q plus, now 2 ones are 2 15s are, so this is 15 q square minus here 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, so this will become 3 q cube plus c, the constant of integration. Now see here the fixed cost is 55, that is fixed cost is 55. Therefore, when quantity is 0, when q is 0, then total cost will be equal to fixed cost, that is equal to 55. So that is to say, when there is no production, there will be fixed cost, that is 55. Therefore, total cost when quantity is 0 is equal to fixed cost, that is equal to 55. That means the value of this c is 55, and this c is also the fixed cost. So this c is fixed cost here. Therefore, total cost will become, that is 25q plus 15q square minus 3q cube plus the fixed cost, here the value of c is 55, so I will write the 55. So this is the total cost. Now the second part is to find the average cost. Now to find the average cost, we will divide this total cost by the quantity. As we know, the average cost is equal to total cost divided by the quantity. So this will become 25 q plus 15 q square minus 3q cube plus 55, and we will divide it by q. Now this will become 25 q divided by q. Here it is plus 15 q square divided by q, and here it is minus 3 q cube divided by q plus 55 divided by q. Now this q and q will cancel. That will become 25 plus here this q and 1q here will cancel, so this will become 15 q. Similarly here q and 1q will cancel, so this will become 3q square plus 55 divided by q. So this is the average cost function. Now the third part was, that is C part, was to find the variable cost. Now variable cost is, as we know, variable cost is equal to the total cost minus the fixed cost. When we subtract fixed cost from the total cost, we get the variable cost. Now the variable cost is, that is equal to, now first our total cost function is this, so I will write this 25 q plus 15 q square minus 3 q cube plus 55 minus the fixed cost. The fixed cost, as we have calculated, that is equal to 55, so I will subtract this 55. So our variable cost is 25 q plus 15 q square minus 3 q cube. So this is our variable cost function. Now I will repeat how we integrate a power function. That is to say, if I have to integrate x cube dx, now what we will do, we will add 1 to the exponent, so this will become 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is equal to x3 plus 1. Now we will divide by this resulting exponent, that is 3 plus 1. So this will become x to the power 4 divided by 4. Or in general, if we have to integrate, that is to say x to the power n d of x, this will become, now we will add 1 to the exponent and divide the resulting exponent here. That is to say, this will become x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration. Here is also the constant of integration.